Hello and welcome to Mood Maker's Home Decor. We're going to be designing an awesome, very cute, mossy carrot twig form that you can buy right now at White Bayou Recent Supply. So to get started, I'm going to take, this does have a pocket here, and I will be tagging these items that are available for purchase. This is available for $19.99 right now, you guys. Very, very cute, extra large, and will be perfect for Easter coming up. So what I'm going to do, it does have a pocket here for us to place some florals. We're going to design and add maybe some nice ribbon and some nice florals to it. So I'm just going to start out by taking some foam. And this is Gaps and Cracks foam that I use. Any kind of foam that you have on hand, even from Dollar Tree, will work. I'm just going to shave this down so that it can go and fit in your pocket very nicely. And I'm just doing that off camera with a knife. So just want a nice pocket here. I'm going to shave that part down just a little bit, but I want it to keep super good. So I'm just going to take some hot glue. And put some on the lip here as well. And being careful not to burn myself. Just going to slide that in right there. Let it catch a little bit. And we're going to let that dry. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is just add in some pieces of filler. I do have some eucalyptus that I have on hand. And we're also going to add in some picks and a couple of florals. This is a quick, easy project, you guys. Quick and easy. I've already cut up many pieces. Now, this is a great project that you can do using any leftover florals because it's not going to take much for you to fill out your design. Just taking some hot glue here and sticking that right in that foam. And I just want to have some of this greenery coming out. Of my carrot. And I don't want it too high that it covers the top of the carrot. So it's perfect for any leftover florals. I'm going to come in with just some cream ranunculus here. And I really like these because they have this movement of the dangles. I call those dangles. Those are actually from Michaels. And they should be coming out in their spring. They come in all different kind of colors as well. But you also can get some really pretty ranunculus over at White Bayou Recent Supply. The easiest way to shop is just to go to shoplikepoline.com. And if you are in our Beneath the Bayou design class, make sure that you use your discount code for the month. It's an awesome discount and a perk of being in the group. Look how pretty that already is. Very pretty. So we're just going to fill that out. Now, we've got our florals in. We've gotten some ranunculus and some nice eucalyptus. What I want to do is add a little bit of whimsy. So we're going to add this pick in. Now, this pick is available at White Bayou Recent Supply. Shop like Palun, and don't forget your discount, okay? This is only $5.99. So with your discount, you're going to love this as well. But I'm going to add this stem in whole. I'm just going to give it a little fluffing. It does have some really cute black and white carrots, some little whimsies. And it also has a little bit of these ball sprays and also of just a tad bit of added greenery. So what I want to do is kind of have this coming out. I don't want it too long. I want it in proportion. So I'm going to cut it fairly towards the bottom here. Just give that a nice cut. Make sure all of my pieces are seen pretty good. And I can recurl this. I would like how tight or how loose you want it, just to give it an added something different to your design. But you can recurl these any way you want. Love, love, love. And I think I may just cut this in half anyway. So I don't want anything too high, so just test yours out. I'm going to kind of keep everything in proportion, so I'm just going to cut this pick into two. I actually like that, so we're going to glue it in. And I want it kind of going catty in this space, because again, I don't want to cover up what it already has going with our moss pieces. And then with our second pick, I'm gonna bring this one forward. I don't know, that's super cute. These are simple, these are easy, these are great shop fillers. I think they would look cute on a door. They would look super cute on a pantry door in the kitchen, any little space that you want to add a touch of Easter decor. How super cute is that? Now for our final touch, I'm just going to add a nice ribbon. So I'm going to be keeping in the theme and using this little bunny ribbon that I had. Make sure you check out the ribbon at shoplikepalun.com. Isn't that cute with just the little carrots? It's keeping to the black and white with the gingham. Love, love, love. So I'm just going to do a nice little hand bow. Drop this to the floor. I always take whatever I'm working with up to my design here. And this is a one-directional ribbon. So notice I did not twist for that loop to stay the right direction. But I am going to cut. And add on my second tail. So I'm just cutting me a nice piece. Come in and layer it on top of my pinch. Okay. And I'll lift that side longer just to add a little whimsy effect. That's super cute. And I'm gonna follow up with a 1.5 inch black and white. You can find this at Shop Black Porn, I'm sure. If not, they definitely have something similar. Okay. The biggest thing is to grab these. These are way more expensive I've seen at other places. So make sure you grab your forms today, friends. Do not wait. We only have 84 more days until Easter. Can you believe that? Okay, so I'm just layering this. Very simple. Again, it's the pops of black and white that I really love. I'm gonna give that a cut. Now, you just want to zip tie these ribbons nice and tight. Love that. Cut off the excess on the back. And I'm just going to take a U-pin, floral pen, U-pin, greening pen. These little small pens, you can get these at Hobby Lobby or you can order them off of Amazon. I'm just going to take a couple of these and pin them right into our form. I'm definitely going to add a little bit of hot glue as well, you guys. And the form is a grapevine moss form, so it should be absolutely fine. I'm going to double those. I just like to double my pins, kind of crisscross them. Okay, let's go ahead and dovetail our ribbons here. Just to give it a finished look. Alright, and I do have just a couple more pieces of that eucalyptus. I'm going to place right up in here. And I'm just going directly into the bow and going down in that twig. Just to kind of cover up our center here and to bring some of the florals down. Absolutely super cute.